LausGroup cares whenever, wherever. Ito raw ang dahilan kung bakit inulunsad ng nangungunang multi-brand car dealership sa bansa na LausGroup of Companies o LGC ang 24/7 customer assistance for roadside emergency services.
This is a testament and a continuing commitment to provide services to our customers even beyond the sale, no?
Magiging katuwang ng LGC sa kanilang programang LausGroup Cares ang Assist and Assistance Concept Incorporated o AACI matapos pirmahan ng isang Memorandum of Agreement nitong Lunes, June 10. Ang AACI ay isa sa mga leading roadside assistance providers sa bansa. Ayon kay LGC Executive Vice President at Group Chief Operating Officer Alfie M. Adriano, bahagi ito ng kanilang commitment para sa pagbibigay ng best customer experience. Ang layon din nito na maipadama sa kanilang mga customer na sila ay safe at supported habang bumabiyahe. Sa pamamagitan ng programa, aabot sa 32,500 pesos na halaga ng benepisyo ang maaaring ma-avail sa loob ng isang taon kapag bumili ng sasakyan sa alinmang LausGroup dealership o kumuha ng insurance policy sa corporate guarantee. Kasama sa mga serbisyo na maaaring ma-avail ng mga customer ng LGC, ang crane, towing, battery jumpstart, minor on-site repairs, ambulance assistance at iba pa.
Personal auto-related services, yung continuation of journey. Halimbawa, may kailangan kang puntahan, nasiraan ka, so we could provide you a service so that you could still arrive on time dun sa pupuntahan mo. No? So plus, if you need hotel accommodation dahil malayo yung pupuntahan mo, nasiraan yung sasakyan mo, we could also assist with the hotel accommodation. So a lot of benefits.
Dagdag pa ni Adriano, malaki ang matitipid ng mga customer dahil sa LausGroup Cares.
They actually don't have to pay anything for this. No? So ito, we are giving it for free to all who will buy a vehicle starting July 1 and those who will insure their cars with corporate guarantee starting July 1. We're giving it for free. And all of these benefits, as much as 32,500, they will be receiving for free within 1 year after their purchase.
Samantala, mayroong aabot sa 80 dealerships ang LGC sa buong Central at Northern Luzon. Siniguro naman ng AACI na mayroon silang sapat na resources upang maibigay ang kinakailangang assistance ng mga customer ng LGC 24/7.
We have identified all the dealerships of Laos and we made sure that we have the partner providers in those areas. So as far as Cagayan Valley, Ilocos, Baguio, Dagupan, Pampanga, especially Metro Manila, of course, right? Cebu and Davao, Iloilo, Bacolod, yes, we have providers in those areas. And we use flatbed tow trucks. It's not boom type where we raise the front of the vehicle. We don't do that. It's flatbed. So we put the vehicle on top of the truck and bring it to the service center.
Liana Canilaw, CLTV 36 News.